guys, it's me, CM, and today I am hacking my friend mclizzy. Yes, she's my friend, so I'm like not an actual hacker or anything, but I'm going to see what is on her account, and then she gets to hack me afterwards. Sad face. My voice sounds so much different. I don't know. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is gonna be raiding her closet. Hey. So this outfit needs to go. I'm sorry. Now, we are going to be getting rid of your outfit. So, I'm going to be picking out your outfit. So, it needs to be cool. And you need to have your eyes, like, looking like the horns. So, pick that color. Find that color again. Or this color. Okay, there. And, let's see. No. Okay. That's what's needed. Wait. No. Actually? No. There. No. Okay, I'm just... Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Hey guys, if you don't like the flavor gummies that you're getting, you can leave them on the table.
She does not like this look. Too bad, because it's my choice. Yeah, you can say something.
I hate this outfit.
What's wrong with you?
I hate pink. I love that look because those feet are super rare. Like, someone just I kind of trolled someone into giving those to me. Cause this non-member was like, I want this rare, Christmas thing for this. And I'm like, okay.
Damn, you have some cool stuff.
Yeah, I'm always on Animal Jam every day. Buddy me and I'll buddy you back. I'm always active, so.
So, this is your new look.
The reason why I like green is, well,
and that's
because it's St. Patrick's Day soon.
Yep.
That's why I did that. And
So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trolling some jammers now.
oh my god. People are gonna hate me. See how many friends I have? You will be blown. You should see how many friends I have on AJ. You can see right now. I have a lot of friends. Like, I talk with a lot of people, and yeah, it's awkward. Like,
Yeah, I get it.
awkward. Oh, headdress.
Should we troll first? Headdress? Where did she go? Oh, there she is. I cannot.
I love. Sure, why not? I always buddy people.
Oh, that's cute.
I've been a I love being a member. Gives me so many options.
I needed membership. Okay, hold on.
R.I.P. Ooh,
True.
maybe I can make her like trade me something.
Okay, sad story.
Let's see if
One
we
time
can.
I friend somebody and they said that I was.
And here comes my annoying little sister popping up to ruin the video.
They called me a swear somehow on Animal Jam.
Oh yeah, people can choose when they go act as a parent and they're like, my kid can
Baby crab because I'm out of dolphins. Baby crab because I'm out of dolphins.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. Help!
It's yummy.
Call help.
He's eating plastic right now.
Can you get me that? Could you actually get me that? That'd be nice. I really want a warm blanket. Oh.
Actually, that's not going to be a good trade. I'm sorry.
I know. Don't trade anything else Jamalade, because I have like an animal themed for a new video, upcoming video. I get rares all the time.
Trust me, this should work.
This should work. Everyone declines me. I get anxiety from just.
What's left is the orange and the yellow.
I'll take orange.
I'm sorry, my friend is eating candy.
No. Every time I try to trade something with someone, they're like, "Nope, sorry, we're gonna give you.
Here, try yellow.
We're gonna make you feel bad."
Can I please
Try yellow.
Ew. Please stop eating up all the candy.
Ew. This is kind of gross.
I know, that's what we used to.
Try
Okay.
the orange little soup with
Orange tastes really good. The second, the yellow gummy, I'm gonna tell this to, the world. It tastes like essential oils and, vitamins.
By the way, I can give you a warm blanket.
Really? Mm-hmm. That would be nice. And you can obviously tell if you go to my animals Oh my god, you should see the one where I wear a turkey tail. Oh my god. How? Wait. Who hacked my account?
Wait, what?
I had, gazelle horns.
What?
I got hacked. Oh my god, I actually got hacked. Not clickbait.
Hacked by a Pari.
Party quit.
I know.
Please, can you put on the outfit I originally had?
No, that's horrible.
No, it was purple horn, gazelle horns with, Thanksgiving.
I think I'm
purple
gonna,
dress.
just change it up to be Valentine's Day to annoy you. I'm sorry.
Oh no, I already had it. Yeah, can you put the skirt on, please? Because it looks cool. See, I had that theme. If you go to my giveaway video that no one entered,
Do you have any spikes?
no, because no one wants to trade with me. I have a studded collar. I have a stud collar, and I have a flower crown. If you can tell, it's Jamaldi themed because I told you everyone. It's for non-members too. It's for everybody.
Hey, you know what? I am going to give you a completely new one.
No, don't you can spend my diamonds. Like, don't do this.
Why?
Oh, you should see my mustache look. You should see that. Can you here? Let me show you my mustache look. It's really funny. It's my favorite look.
And
There you go.
Little Piglets has taken over the computer.
Yep, there you go. Back to CM, girl. I always make my video.
It's your
Shut
girl.
up, dog! Trying to record here.
Here, take a yellow gummy. You can have the one in the big bag. Did you just drop one in there? Yeah. I just told you not to get it.
Oh my god.
Guys, please put it down.
Drama on set. Oh my god. My poor purple look. I'll have to change this, but I'm gonna get you back on your account.
My poor channel.
I'm about to get her back. And guys, you're gonna see a lot of videos today from her.
Yep.
So much that your mind is gonna be blown, and 6 months won't feel like 6 months. You can see my video 6 days ago. It's me opening 3 new stuff, and yeah, I have no life. I'm opening.
That looks so gross.
On my channel, I'm opening 3. I opened 3 new LPSs in. Link will be in the description. It will be. I will put it in. Don't remove. I died inside. I just died inside. What do you do? I thought you got rid of all my items, and I just died inside.
Typical Alana.
You just say my name.
Yep.
Poison the mini human.
Let's.
Put his head in the poison.
Hey,
Life
kid.
is so unfair.
Hey, kid, Lizzie.
Wait. Take its head off and put it in the poison and close the bag.
Does the head come off?
My name is Karen. No, it's not. I'm just quoting Mean Girls because didn't
That's supposed
notice.
to come out.
My name is Lizzie.
Wait,
And I am
Don't take it off,
cringy. Whip.
Hey, cringe
Whip.
sisters.
Nay.
Watch it whip. Okay, that song is so dead.
No copyright. No copyright.
That looked horrible.
No
I need to change back to your designer. Oh, it's a leaf pattern skirt.
No, I have a rare leaf pattern skirt somewhere down here.
This water
Okay, you
This
look
water is only for LOL and LOL only.
gorgeous.
Oh my god, don't make her. Oh my god.
Oops, I peed.
Oops.
Oh my gosh, a Jamaldi aviator hat.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
And a
Okay, that's done. That's done.
The whereabouts of your farm.
Okay, shut up, guys.
That was cringy.
That was super cringy. I like this outfit. So I already have a purple.
See, I told you I'm like the pro.
What's up with the purple?
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god, guys! This is a family-friendly channel.
She just made her LOL doll pee.
Well, that's what LOL dolls do. I'm glad I got a boy with it, or I'd somehow hack into this computer and make the boy doll show.
What?
And have it start flirting with
Okay.
Okay.
My sister is out of the picture. She's just gone off the face of this earth. I just wiped her off.
We deleted.
punching you.
We deleted her Animal Jam account.
Hey, no!
Just kidding. Really, just kidding.
Yeah.
Wow, we are so cringy on camera.
Okay.
I
This
love.
is your new look.
Look at
Now we're gonna set. Okay,
Don't
stop.
be doing that near the computer. Get that away from the computer.
Okay, let's go.
God.
Their mom just walked by Yeah. Okay. So
Oh my
basically,
god,
we're
why
at
is the water
sleepover
foggy now?
thing. Meadow.
Oh my god.
Okay. So I'm gonna go up to a bunch of people and
Please don't. They're gonna unfriend me. Look, see, if you can tell there's some people who have LPS names, the community. Damn, the community.
why don't you have a keyboard on this thing? How do you like get up the keyboard?
It's right down there. Well, let's not
Okay.
use it because it shows how embarrassing I don't have a keyboard. So, Julian, fan. Okay, what are you gonna say? It's CM girl. What is your like catchphrase? I don't have bubble chat, but I use it because I'm way too lazy sometimes. Come to then. You know what? You know what Animal Jam is allowed to say now? Allie, because I used to say that a lot. Like, no one else would say it besides me. At least I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Bring the tablet, it might work.
Really? Hey, do you know about the USA? Do you know about the government? Do you know about the country? And story
Ooh, this
time.
is like all the old.
Here's a story time. We went to the grocery store and I'm wearing a unicorn onesie, so.
That literally happened like 2 hours ago.
And people laughed at me in the store because I'm.
Wi-Fi is now available.
Woo!
You're welcome.
We need
Thank
life.
you.
We need a life.
It's not working, but it says available.
We need a life.
Yeah.
We really need a life.
Available.
We just.
I'm just gonna cringe this up even more.
What are we gonna do?
This guy's gonna think you like him.
Yikes. You don't know. It could be a girl. It could be a girl. Well, you don't know.
Oh my gosh, did I just assume that person's gender?
You won't assume their gender. You won't.
I was just kidding.
You won't.
If they don't come here, I'm just ending the video now. JK. She has to hack me, too.
So yeah.
Hashtag why?
And go see on my channel we're gonna do a different type of video on my channel.
Sure.
And my dog agrees with my
Your
idea.
dog is crazy. He bit me once.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's not get to monetize.
We should make these separate videos.
Oh,
One
let's.
should be called Hacking CM Girl, and mine is called, like, Hacking Glitz.
It's mclizzy. Okay. By the way,
It's not the
Don't-
cutest thing ever.
don't
That is the cutest
YouTube don't put a community guideline strike on her, cause her sister said like her dog bit her, but I'm sure that's fine, right? Don't community
Wait,
guidelines.
you listen to Anne Marie? I love her.
Oh, hey, no, stop. Go back to Animal Jam.
I did.
13, okay, that's bad luck.
Say hi,
Hey.
Leona.
Yes. This
Okay.
song.
Oh my god. Hey, guys. Actually, let's go to, why don't we just end the video here?
Yep.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
You're awesome.
Yeah.
Bye.